Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M5s, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. Fortunately, right now the devices will just do it for us, so we don't really have to do anything. In order to virus scan your device, you have to open this security section. Let's tap on it. Of course, agree to all of the conditions. And as you can see right here, we've got the security scan. So let's tap on it. Of course, again, agree. And as you can see right now, your device will scan itself in order to find any malware. So it will scan the apps and so on and so on. And if you will not have any viruses, any malware, then your device will show you that you're 100% secured. As you can see, in my case, one risk has been detected. It is because I didn't update my system. So basically, this is how it works. So it will detect not only the malware and the viruses, but also some kind of problems with the apps, for example, or with for example, system update, as you can see. So basically that's all. That's all you have to do in order to virus scan your POCO M5s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.